Now the severity according to the Downey's score. For the full-term baby, we have to give the score between 0 to 2. For respiratory rate, if it is normal between 40 to 60, 0. Between 60 to 80, 1 score. More than 80, severe, 2 score. When patient is having no cyanosis, then 0. If patient is having the central cyanosis, even on room air, we label as a 1. More than 40% oxygen is already given to the patient, still the patient is having the central cyanosis, then 2 score. Air entry normal, 0 score. Mildly decrease, 1. Marked decrease, 2 score. When there is no retraction, 0. Minimal retraction, 1. Marked retraction, 2. When no grunting sound, 0. When audible with the stethoscope, 1. When audible with the naked ear, then 2 score. Observe this baby and calculate the Downey's score. So you can hear the audible grunting sound. You can see the marked retractions are there, and respiratory rate between 60 to 80 per minute. So score for the RR 1. Patient is not having any cyanosis. So we will give the 0 score. Air entry mildly decreased, so 1 score. Retractions are marked. Patient is having seesaw respiration and paradoxical breathing, audible grunting sound. So patient is having total score according to the Downey's 6. So patient is having severe respiratory distress.